So check the solution to each of the equation. So today is the 14th, but we're going to take the quiz from the 9th, so we're going to do the review opener that goes with the 9th. So the first one here, we have 5f minus 5 equals 2f plus 1. Now, whoever solved this said f is equal to 2. So we're going to check to see if their answer is accurate or not. So in order to do that, the very first thing that I'm going to have to do is rewrite the equation using substitution. When I say rewrite the equation using substitution, what does that mean?
Substitute the f by 2.
Yeah, so I'm going to substitute, every time I see the variable f, I'm going to substitute the number 2 for it. So how would I rewrite that then, Deontay?
5 times 2 minus 5. Equals 5.
No, keep going, equals.
Oh! Then, 2 times 2 plus 1.
Okay, so that would be your first point that you earn on your quiz, is showing me that you know how to rewrite the equation using substitution. Now the next step is going to be solving each side of the equation. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a line, and I'm going to solve each side of the equation. I usually like to work one side of the equation, then the other side of the equation. I'm going to have to use order of operations to solve each side. So basically I'm going to use PEMDAS. So when I go to work on my left side here, 5 times 2 minus 5, where would I start, Brendan?
5 times 2.
Which equals? So then I bring down my 10 and my minus 5. Okay? And then finish it up for me.
2 times 2.
No. I always work my whole left side and then I go to my right side. You can work both sides at the same time. I just like to do one then the other.
10 minus 5.
Which is?
5.
Good.
2 times 2 is
Okay, so now I'm going to go to my right side. Order of operations. 2 times 2 is what, Brendan?
4.
And then I bring down my plus 1. Okay, then simplify that. So the last step then is showing, do I have the same answer on each side of the equal sign? Yeah, so if the answer is yes, I'm going to put a check mark next to f equals 2, meaning that is the correct solution. That is the right answer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay? Now, the next one has a square root in it. So let's take a look at it. So this one's a little bit different. It's going to be 5 plus square root of 2h plus 1 equals 0. The first step should be an easy step. All you're going to do is substitute. So how would I rewrite this using substitution? Beyonce?
5 plus square root of 2 times 12 plus 1.
Equals 0. Okay. Now, for this particular equation, I only have to simplify the left side. The right side is done for me. So, when you are dealing with square roots, that is pretty much like a parenthesis or an exponent. So you're going to work under that square root first. Okay? Because we're going to work under that square root first, we're going to have to do order of operations. So what would I do first under that square root? Deontay?
2 times 2.
Which is? What's 2 times 12?
25.
Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this here. So I'm going to put 5 plus,
You slow.
no.
I'm slow.
No.